Hello everyone, welcome back to Competitive Guide by Bodhanapamina's channel. Here you can able to find a series of video lessons related to interview techniques, quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, reasoning ability, general knowledge, current affairs and a lot more. So friends, kindly subscribe my channel, like, share and comment my videos and press the bell icon for further notifications from my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the general knowledge facts of Ashoka Chakra. First, we will see why Ashoka Chakra is designed in blue color. What is the significance of Ashoka Chakra? Why Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes? And what is the importance of each spoke in human life? So first let us see why Ashoka Chakra is in navy blue color. The navy blue color of Ashoka Chakra placed in the center of the white strip of national flag, it represents the color of sky and ocean, and it also denotes the universal truth. Now let us see the significance of Ashoka Chakra. As everyone knows that Ashoka Chakra contains 24 spokes and each spoke will have a different significance in human life. And it also represents 24 hours in a day, which symbolizes each human being to work tirelessly throughout the day. And hence this wheel is also called as wheel of time or wheel of duty. There are 24 spokes in Ashok Chakra which represents 24 qualities of a person. In other words, these spokes can be termed as 24 religious paths made for humans. All the paths mentioned in Ashok Chakra will lead any country on the path of progress. I think this is probably why the designers of our national flag removed the Charka from it and put this Ashok Chakra in the middle of the flag. Let us see one by one what is the significance of each spoke. The first spoke, chastity, means which inspires to live a simple life. Second one, health, inspires to be healthy from body and mind. The third spoke, peace, to maintain peace and harmony throughout the country. Fourth spoke, sacrifice, to be ready for any sacrifice for the sake of the country and society. And fifth spoke, morality, to maintain high moral values in professional as well as personal life. And the sixth one is service, ready to serve country and society when needed. Seventh spoke is forgiveness, a feeling of forgiveness towards human and other creatures. Eighth spoke is love, feeling of love towards the country and all the creatures of God. The ninth spoke, friendship, to have cordial relation with all the citizens. That means to have friendly relation with all the citizens. Tenth spoke, fraternity, to develop a sense of brotherhood in the country. Next, 11th spoke, organization, strengthening the unity and integrity of the nation. 12th spoke, welfare, participating in welfare activities related to country and society. 13th spoke, prosperity, actively participate in the development of the country. 14th spoke, industry, to assist the country in its industrial development. 15th spoke, safety, to be always ready for the production of the country, for the protection of the country. 16th spoke, awareness, to be aware of the truth and don't believe in rumors. 17th spoke, equality, establishment of a society based on equality. 18th spoke, artha, optimum utilization of money. 19th spoke, policy, to have faith in the policy of our country. 20th spoke, justice, talking about justice for all. 21st spoke, cooperation, that is working together for the welfare of our country and to cooperate one another. Then 22nd spoke, duties, to obey your duties honestly. 23rd spoke, rights, do not abuse your rights. or do not misuse your rights. 24th spoke, wisdom, to have knowledge beyond books. These spokes give a clear message to all the country people about their rights and duties. And these spokes are like 24 principles which should be followed by the citizens so that the differences of caste, religion, language, and attire can be minimized. Thank you for watching, friends. Soon I will be before you with another interesting fact. Till then, keep watching, stay tuned with my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Have a great day.